UPSC Prelims is tough, but smart preparation makes all the difference.
And what's smarter than learning from the PYQs?
But these PYQs seem tricky. How do I solve them fast?
That's exactly why we are here.
We are bringing you in-depth analysis of approximately 500 questions and discussion over 2000 key points.
With detailed explanation
Elimination techniques.
And clear concepts.
you will master them easily.
Get exam ready and crack UPSC Prelims with Drishti IAS.
Subscribe Drishti IAS English and click the bell icon.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.